Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Saksham Digital Technology.
So in our previous video, we already done our this part, like we are cleaning our data, collecting our data from EDA, and applying model, building a model, and save model with the name of advertising model .pk. So open the VS Code for this particular project. So in the index file, we are just writing our code. So for that, we are just copying the uh, template from we are using bootstrap, so we are just linking the bootstrap link. So you can see this is our css link, so copy this link and paste here, and after this we are just to copy the bundle, paste here, and also the separate link, so we are copy this and paste here. So our link is to be copied, so we can use any code here. So we are just making like using vr tag. So we are using this. In the center, we are using our form. So make our form here. So we are using making a div with the property class equal to row. In this we have one more. So we are just writing div. In this we have class called log 3, and after this we are just closing this div, and in this we are making one more, this with size 6. So paste here and change this with to 6, and here we are just writing our code. We are just copy this from code. So we are just writing here a copy like form. So you can see this is our form code. So we are copy this and paste here. We want just only this input only values, like we are deleting this and change these values, like here we have we required a name, so delete this, and here we are just making a name equal to 0, change this with TV. We have TV, and you can see we have another video image, video sales. So here we are just writing video and copy this, paste here, and we are just changing the type with text. Here also text, and assigning the name equal to as one, and here also in the time one we have just copy this and paste here, change the type of this particular input is text, and after this we are just changing the name is to S2, and here we are just using newspaper. So news. So our form is to be created, we are just running this form, so you can see. You can see this is our form. We are just making a bit for this. This is on here. So we are just writing a line here. So the line is we are just making a heading H1. And here we are just writing like advertising 6 21. So you can see this is our model. We are just making a VR tag here. So we are just writing VR here. So you can see our space is to be done here. So we are just making more. So you can see. So after this, we are just writing a code for this app.py. So we are just importing our libraries. So write the code with importing libraries, like from Flask, we are importing Flask, and redirect